Oh shit. Hey there. Come on. Go on. Must be some good grass.
Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Does anybody have a belt? Come on, Dixie. A belt time. A belt? Yeah?
Yeah, they rotted now. Okay. They broke her.
You got a belt, Phil? Yeah, come on, Dixie. Come on. Get your belt off.
I come down here to see if that dog was around here. If the horse was out. And I just got on the phone with him. Come on now.
Dixie.
Ho, ho,
Whoa.
Try to stop the horse.
It's okay.
Come on, Dixie.
There, girl.
Come on, Dixie. No. Come on.
Okay.
Go the other way. Go the other way.
Oh.
Good girl. You're right. You're fine. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
I'm on their way home right now. Mary gets to smell their horse.
Okay, Dixie. Come on.
Fortunately enough, they have the other two dogs with them. They're probably running around the neighborhood.
Come on there.
and she should have her water feature.
I had this one.
Yeah, she's got water. Her whole thing's all over there.
You get the gate?
Yeah, get the gate and get
No.
the whole water.
Oh, see how I close it.
You know, I didn't use chain.
Chain bust?
It's fine.
No, it looks like they didn't close it.
Well, it was closed earlier today. Shut tight when we came down here.
Well, I mean,
about-
somebody obviously unscrewed it, though.
Well, I don't know if this was open. Was this open when you got here, Dad?
I was looking at the dog.
Yeah, said it was open.
Should we make it tighter, maybe?
Well, no, it's screwed.
No, I meant shorten the chain. I meant.
Oh!
Yeah, probably.
But wait till she gets out.
Yeah.
Oh.
I know you're fine, Mickey. You know that.
How did it get loose?
She probably undid it.
Huh?
Whoa, watch out.
Probably undid it. Well,
Don't
she
bite
is good at with her lips at undoing screws and stuff. Yeah,
Oh, Dixie.
I've learned that much. Whoever is around tonight, I just have to ask you to keep an eye on her
Right.
because she's very hot because she did all that running. So, horses can colic. And, you know, it's always
Oh.
a vet
We'll come out here.
issue.
She need water?
She needs water,
She's
but
got water.
Where?
That whole tub
Okay.
down there.
But she has none in her stall. And
Yeah, that's
that's
not
probably where she was drinking.
That's not where they put her water. They put her in the big tub down there. Hey, Dad, can you grab the wire?
The wire's on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's not electrified
I had
because the
this one
circuit's
here.
not closed. Dad, other side,
But
clips on.
This her.
This side right here clips on.
This rope hopper
Yeah.
fits her perfectly.
I'll keep that. Just keep them handy in case
Yeah.
you need them again.
Thank you,
Supposed to be home tomorrow?
They're coming tonight.
Tonight.
He called and said he was in Lexington. Yeah, I didn't even know he was even out. I was coming down here to check on that dog. And then they said the horse was out. Your dog just
Oh, really?
chasing her around. I saw from my chair, I could see out through the back of her back patio. I saw a splash of white. I thought, well, I don't know.
Jumped
Flash
up.
there, I saw a little flash of white. So there's
Something in our yard.
Something's going on.
Katie runs
Well, you know,
in and says,
they said there's a horse out.
Hey.
Yeah.
But I mean, mine escaped tonight. And luckily they died. Oh, really? They would have come over here and dumped the fence and gone visiting.